Welcome back guys to a new video where today Sue Owino is trending all over the internet, where Sue Owino, who is known for cooking sumptuous meals for her husband daily, is the envy of many. The pretty TikToker chef responded to women saying she has been extra, saying she was just creative in her own way. Sue, who has never shown her husband's face, showed him love, describing him as the loving and caring gentleman, where the anonymous husband today came forward and gifted her with a new car. Watch the following video and see you guys in my next video.
Thank you.